Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the general knowledge questions on our national symbols. What is our national bird? What is our national bird? Peacock. Who wrote our national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Who wrote our national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore. Which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? The Royal Bengal tiger. What is called as our national flag? What is called as our national flag? Tiranga or tricolor? Who designed our national flag? Who designed our national flag? Pingali Venkayya. What is our national song? What is our national song? Vande Mataram. Which is the lowermost color of our national flag? Which is the lowermost color of our national flag? Green. What is our national vegetable? What is our national vegetable? Pumpkin. What is our national aquatic animal? What is our national aquatic animal? Dolphin. What is our national game? What is our national game? Hockey. What is our national fruit? What is our national fruit? Mango. What is our national heritage animal? What is our national heritage animal? Elephant. Who wrote our national song Vande Mataram? Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. What is the national motto of India? What is the national motto of India? Satyameva Jayate. What is our national tree? What is our national tree? Banyan tree. What is our national emblem? What is our national emblem? The lion capital of Ashoka. What is our national flower? What is our national flower? Lotus. What is our Indian currency? What is our Indian currency? Rupee. Who designed our Indian currency symbol? Who designed our Indian currency symbol? Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. How many stripes are there in our Indian national flag? How many stripes are there in our Indian national flag? 3. They are saffron, white and green. What does the saffron color in our flag stand for? What does the saffron color in our flag stand for? Courage and sacrifice. What does the white color in our national flag signifies? What does the white color in our national flag signifies? Peace and unity. What does the green color in our national flag signifies? What does the green color in our national flag signifies? Prosperity. Which material is used for making the Indian national flag? Which material is used for making the Indian national flag? Khadi cloth. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, Bhavani Smart Learning. Thanks for watching.